Hey everyone, okay, so always a really red year. So I'm going to be talking about this today. Now this is ReFa, and this is, what is this? It is ReFa CLEAR, and it is a vibrating brush, but there's more to it than that. And I don't actually quite understand all the terminology. I mean, I have it here, right? And it says it's powered by the world's first 3D sonic ion technology, which can remove impurities deeper down than ever before. Now, I've actually been using this for a month, over a month now, so I can definitely give you my thoughts on it. So you turn it on here and it vibrates, and there are three levels. There is soft, there is clear, clean actually, and then there is deep. Now, I don't know about you, but between soft and deep, I think always deep is best, don't you? Actually, that's a lie. I prefer soft, but that's neither here nor there. So I've been using this for over a month, and I can give you my thoughts on it now. The first thought is it's incredibly expensive. It's $300. So it's expensive for a cleansing device. Now, if you have found Clarisonics to be irritating to your skin, they're just too harsh, but you love the idea of wanting to A, spend money, and B, use a sonic brush or a form of sonic technology, then this may be an option to you. It is very, very gentle, by far the most gentle of all cleansing brushes that I've tried. There is no irritation from this. Now, from using it for a month, I can tell you that it does give your skin an incredibly deep clean, and not in a bad way, but in a really beautiful kind of way. And I'm going to show you how to use it. So the first thing you'll need is to wet your face. With a wet face, you're going to pick your cleanser of choice. Now, I'm going to be using Holly Frog. Now, you're going to hear a bit more about Holly Frog at a later date, but it is an incredible cleanser. Now, I like to put a little bit of cleanser on my face first, and then I put a little bit of cleanser onto the brush. Should have brought a towel. Silly boy. So I pop a little bit of the cleanser onto the brush, and then I turn it onto deep. And you then cleanse your face. Now, it is, like I mentioned, the brush head itself is incredibly soft. So even those with very, very delicate skin, or very, what's the word? Just sensitive skin, are going to find this an absolute joy to use. You're not going to be irritated on any of the settings. Now, the thing that's really interesting about this, as I close my eyes, because I can't see a bloody thing, is that it feels like not much is happening, right? But the skin gets incredibly cleansed, and it's a minute long, which you're not going to see here, but it's a minute long. And when you finish, your skin feels just exquisite. And the funny thing about this is you don't get that kind of really, really deep clean that you would from a lot of other sonic brushes, as in where your skin just feels like, but the weird thing is that as time goes on, you just notice that your skin isn't irritated. And at the same time, it's not, I can't even explain it. It's just quite bizarre how it works, because your skin feels really, really, where's a towel when I need one? Your skin feels really clean, but it doesn't feel stripped. It doesn't feel irritated. It doesn't feel, it just doesn't feel horrible in any way, shape or form. And yeah, I absolutely adore the brush. And the way I actually use it, and this is a tip from Holly Frog, which again, you'll hear about it another time. I cleanse 1 minute in the morning and 2 minutes at night. And I've been using this for 2 minutes at night. And I just tend to use whatever setting I feel like, you know, no pun, soft, clean, deep, it makes no difference. But your skin feels impeccable without that scrubbed feeling like when you're using a washcloth, or sometimes if you're using a very aggressive brush. It doesn't feel like that. It just feels incredibly clean. And I just adore it. It was expensive and it was an investment for me, but it is a product that I'm going to continue to use because it's just exquisite. Now, I have backed off of it for the past 14 days because I'm just reviewing the Clarisonic Maya Men brush, which I'll be giving you my thoughts on shortly, but I love it. I absolutely love it. And this brush head will last you an age because I believe it's synthetic hair and it just feels like nothing. And here's something really cool. This brush can absolutely be used to apply any and all foundation. It is incredible. There you go. If you've got the money, give it a go. You know, give it a go. See you next time. Bye-bye.